My name is Janie Criner. I'm the Executive Director at Child Watch Counseling and Advocacy Center. We have 3 primary programs here. We have mental health counseling for abused and neglected children. We have CASA of McCracken County, which is the court-appointed special advocates program. And we do abuse prevention education in schools. We feel very fortunate to have the support of the Kentucky Colonels. They have done a lot for our office over the years. We were looking around this morning, and one of our therapists mentioned that just about everything nice you see around here was provided by the Kentucky Colonels, because I think the great thing about the Good Works program is that they allow us to buy things that a lot of times other grants will not fund. Even though they're necessities, they're things that are beneficial to our clients. Our therapists see victims of all types of abuse and neglect: sexual abuse, physical abuse, mental or emotional abuse, neglect, witness to domestic violence is a big one, and witness to homicide. The abuse does not have to be substantiated, so that makes us a little bit different from some organizations. A parent can call up and just tell us something has happened. I would like for my child to come for services. All of our services are free. Unfortunately, our services are probably always going to be needed here in McCracken County and beyond. We see more and more children every year, it seems like, but the need continues to outpace us. I don't think we'll ever catch up, because the abuse and neglect right now is just an epidemic proportion. You can't open up the paper, you can't turn on the news without seeing a story about child abuse or neglect, locally, nationwide.
I'm Cecilia Reside. I am a licensed clinical therapist. I've been working at Child Watch for almost 7 years now. I believe in the mission. It's my goal to help children recover from the trauma that they've experienced. My executive director and myself were just talking this morning about everything that we have that's fairly nice comes from Kentucky Colonel. Here's some stuff that I pass out if I feel like it's appropriate, that Kentucky Colonel paid for. It's a book called 1, 2, 3 Magic, and some videos. We're almost out of those. So if somebody is not super prone to reading, or they don't have time, which most parents don't, I recommend that they watch the video. It's about disciplinary and parenting techniques that I feel are super effective. I feel like I wouldn't be able to do the job that I do if it wasn't for all the generous donations that we've received. And it frees some money for other things, like my salary.
Something that's important to us is for our facility to be home-like, where the children are comfortable coming here. They actually look forward to coming here. We do not want it to look like they're going to a doctor's office or have it look too sterile or a clinical setting environment. The Colonels allow us to do that by funding things like this furniture, by having books for the children to play with when they're here, the bright colored bookshelves that we keep the toys on. Children run in here, they're happy to be here, and that is important to their healing process just as much, I think, as meeting with the therapist sometimes. We just feel very fortunate that the Colonels see the value in what we do, that they consider the services that we provide to the children in our community worthwhile, and we are so happy to be able to partner with them in our mission. Without them, we would not be able to do the services that we do, that we provide to the community, without their support. Thank you, Kentucky Colonels.